Are you making this digital marketing mistake that are silently killing your business growth in online? Hi everyone, my name is Ribe Jaje. Today I want to share 3 of the biggest digital marketing mistakes that many businesses make and mistake that slow down your growing online. Mistake number 1, not understand your target audience. Many businesses try to sell to everyone, but in digital marketing, if you try to speak to everyone, you will end up speaking to no one. The key is clearly define your target audience and about their problems, their needs, and how your product and service can help them. Mistake number 2 is ignoring power of content. Content is the foundation of digital marketing, whether it is social media posts, videos, vlog article, or email campaign, and so on. Valuable content builds trust with your audience and attract the right customer to your brand. Mistake number 3 is not tracking the data. Many businesses invest in marketing but never analyze the result. Tools like analytic platform that help you to understand what works, what does not work, and how you can improve your strategy. Successful digital marketing is not about guessing, it's about testing, measuring, and optimizing. If you want to grow your brand online, try to avoid this mistake and focus on the strategy, consistency, and data. I recommend you to follow me if you want to learn more about digital marketing and grow your business online. So see you in the next video. Thank you for your watching.